Good evening, all of you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Junaid. I am a learner from Board Infinity. Today I am going to present one of my project. The topic is one based closed shop we are analyzed today. Next few slides I will explain you about my topic. The shop name is Newton Normal Shop Private Limited. This is for an UK based company. Talk about shop. Number of item in shops. Total 7 item in a shop. How many number of sizes in a shop, different clothes, 9 size available in our shop, and a product manufactured in all 4 regions. We have almost 3.5 million happy customer, as we can see. And now talk about the presentation. And in this data we just analyze 10 hypotheses in data. First one is total sale in item wise, then total sale in region wise, total units sold by region wise, even top 10 customer all across the country. We will give some gift voucher to them also. Highest and lowest selling price wise, in which area most sale happen, which are lowest costly products sold, which item sold less size, which item sold most size wise selling in different region. This is the total sale in item wise. As you can see, formal shirt is a most selling product in our company. More than 18% it sold. Then you can see total units sold by region wise. In west we have a lowest, but in east region we have almost 92,500 units sold. This is pretty good. Now total sale in region wise, as we can see, west is the highest sale for our company. Top 10 customer, as we can see, this is our happy customer. Now let's go to the Excel where we can check. This is the top 10 customer, as you can see. Like, let me check who's from east and who's from west. Click on east. Then Alexandra Catwood is the first highest from east, and second one is, let me see for north also. In north, Lanila Nail is a top high-rated customer ours. Okay, good. South, as you can see, the graph is also changing. Like, I'm changing the filter also. In south, Regina Geller is the highest, 4,50,000 amount he shopped. And at last, west. In west, Bart Kesse is the highest, more than 5 lakhs. Brilliant. Thank you, all of you.